Okay, so what you're going to do first is grab the bolts and set them inside here. Okay, once they're secure, you're going to take the plastic piece and it goes over both of these and it'll lock into place. Just snaps in. Then you'll take your gasket and slide it over both of these. Next comes the bracket. Now if it's a curved light bar, the bottom of the bracket goes under it. If it's not a curved bar, apparently according to the instructions it goes this way, but you'd use the opposite bracket obviously. So next the bracket goes on here. Followed by our washers. And then our locking nuts. So you want these somewhat loose still so that you can pivot this back and forth and set it how you want it, but you just do want them somewhat snug. So you do the same thing to the other side and then you'll just mount it to, in this case we have a bumper here that it's going on.